Rosemary oil applied topically may aid in promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. However, over-applying can have negative repercussions, which we shall cover in more detail later in this video. In a sense, we'll find out if and how to utilize rosemary oil to reduce hair loss, so pay attention. Essential oils are distilled extracts of volatile plant chemicals that are extremely concentrated, like rosemary oil. The health advantages of the oil include anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This woody perennial rosemary is indigenous to the Mediterranean region, where it has been long consumed and used medicinally as well. There have been rumors in recent years that the oil may be top-notch for hair growth. So claim that it can even stop hair loss, citing the centuries-long usage of rosemary oil in hair rinses by Mediterranean cultures to encourage hair growth as confirmation. The crucial query in this question is whether or not rosemary oil may treat hair loss. The basic health advantages of rosemary oil may be the source of the notion that the oil promotes hair growth. The plant in essential oil form is said to have anti-inflammatory properties, promote nerve growth, and improve circulation. Similar to peppermint essential oil, which is often employed to encourage hair development, rosemary oil improves circulation as a whole. As a result, it might prevent blood supply from being cut off to the hair follicles, which would cause them to starve and die and result in hair loss. In addition to promoting hair growth, rosemary essential oil is used to stop dandruff and premature graying. A dry or itchy scalp may be benefited as well. So how can I treat hair loss with rosemary oil? Here are some methods you may use to restore and strengthen your hair using rosemary essential oil. To begin with, try any of these remedies once or twice a week. If you feel comfortable using them, then you can use it more frequently. First, mix it with a carrier oil. After mixing about 5 drops of rosemary essential oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil, massage it evenly into your scalp. Mix it in your shampoo. This can also apply to conditioners, lotions, or creams. Play it safe and don't add too much. Keep to about 5 drops per ounce of product. Afterward, use the product like usual. You can also add 2 to 3 drops directly to the hair product when you apply a dollop of it in your palm before you use it. Side effects and cautions. Keep essential oils out of your eyes. In the event of contact, thoroughly rinse your eyes with cold water. A same caution applies to applying too much on your scalp as well. It has been reported that rosemary essential oil can irritate skin. Although it could be uncomfortable, there are no health risks as such. When applying the oil, appropriately dilute it with a carrier oil or other product to prevent skin irritation. The safety of utilizing rosemary essential oil while breastfeeding or pregnant is not fully understood. Even though applying the essential oil topically is a way to treat hair loss, you should exercise caution before because it's still unclear how it would work. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the Hair.Dudes channel for more hair related content.
Subscribe.